Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the bitter chocolate decoration art tutorial. So here's a tutorial for this trend. So first you need to head over to ibispaintx, press my gallery, press the plus sign for a new art. Then color the first layer any color you want. I prefer black for this, so I must color it black. Now we need to add another layer. Then I need to make it white, any color, but must be different. Then we need to press the ruler. We need to make it a diagonal line. We delete the ruler so that we color it. As you can see, we have two layers with different colors. Now all we need to do is merge down the layer, then you press another layer. Then we must draw whatever we like, but make sure it's actually a different color from the other ones. So let me just draw a star here. Then for the other one, it's black. It's a heart. Then if you want to like move it, you need to press move layer. Then here you go. It's now your bitter chocolate decoration.